Rate a radio using hydrochloric acid. The materials needed for the experiment are 5 beakers so that you can make more cells. The more cells you make, the higher the voltage you will get. 7 connecting wires with alligator clips at the both ends. Radio. Our electrolyte is muriatic acid or HCl. The electrodes are zinc metal as the cathode and the copper wire as the anode. Procedures. Put 100 ml of HCl in each beaker.
Ayun, dikitan mo. Ano mo na?
Clip your electrodes, which is zinc and copper wire, in the connecting wires with alligator clips. Dip the 2 electrodes in the solution. And now we are ready to dip the electrode into the solution. Clip the zinc on the positive terminal of the radio, and the copper wire on the negative terminal. If there is a reaction between your electrodes, your radio will function, and it means your experiment is successful. You can now tune in your favorite station now.